After making its presence in several markets including Southeast Asia, the US and Taiwan, the Toyota Corolla Cross is now finally introduced in the home market. But as compared to the versions available in the global markets, the Japanese spec Corolla Cross is quietly different with a unique exterior design and slightly retuned powertrain, although the interior tech remains almost the same. The JDM Toyota Corolla Cross gets a completely different front fascia compared to what the rest of the world gets. And in traditional Japanese fashion, the Corolla Cross is wearing the famous C badge that's always been attached to the JDM Corolla. Surrounding that badge is a slim, protruding upper grille. In the case of the JDM version, it's the lower air intake that's been enlarged versus the global market. Also, different from the rest of the world are its sleeker LED headlights, which feature sweeping LED turn signals and integrated into the LED daytime running lights. The side profile is unchanged except for the fact that Japan's Corolla Cross gets a sportier set of 18-inch alloy wheels. Lastly, the rear fascia is also largely unchanged except for its new rear bumper, which features a sportier design than the global model. No changes are there inside the cabin as the vehicle continues to have a 7-inch digital instrument cluster and an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. As for safety, Toyota Safety Sense is available as standard. Powering the Japan spec Corolla Cross is slightly revised 1.8-litre dual VVTi naturally aspirated 4-cylinder gasoline engine that generates 140 PS of maximum power at 6,200 RPM and 170 Nm peak torque at 3,700 RPM. The SUV is also on offer with a hybrid setup that generates a total output of 122 PS. A continuously variable transmission is available as standard. The 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross is now on sale in Japan and will be assembled at Toyota's Takaoka plant. The Japanese automaker says that it is targeting to sell 4,400 units per month.